Good morning to all of you. Today we shall study about the graph of polynomial. Graph is depend upon the coefficient of x square, s and constant terms, that is a, b and c. Now graph third. Here this is a quadratic equation. Y equal to x square plus x plus 1. First of all, according to our method, we put the value of x -1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Corresponding, we get the value of y. This x equal to -1, that is square plus 1, and -1 plus 1 and -1 plus 1, that is 1. If x is equal to 0, then y equal to 1. If x is equal to 1, 1 square is equal to 1, 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3. X is equal to 2, 2 to the 4, 4 to 6, 1, 7. X equal to 3, 3 3 is 9, 9 3 12, 1 13. And x equal to -1. Also we take the sum point in the negative directions. -1, that is -1 plus 1, -1 plus 1 -1, 1, that is equal to 1. Now we put this coordinate, we put this point x, y, that is -1, 1, 0, 1, 1 3, 2 7, 3 13 and so on. And now put on the graph. Now -1, 1 here, that is -1. This is the x-axis. Here is positive and here is negative. In the up direction, that is positive, and down direction, that is negative. We plot the point -1 1, -1 plus 1 1, -1 plus 1, 0, 0 means 0 and 1. Zero and 1. After that 1 and 3, 1 and 3, 1 2 3. Here 1 3. This point is 0 1. This point is -1 1. Also take 1 3, 2 7, 2 1 2 and 7, 1 2 3 4 up to up direction. Now 3 13, that is also up direction. Our graph coming from here, and after that this point and this point, that is if you take x equal to -half, x equal to -half, x equal to -half, the graph comes low or up. X is equal to -half, y equal to -half, square plus minus half plus 1, that is 1 by 4 minus half plus 1, 4, 1, 2 to the 4 minus 2 plus 4, 4 and 5 to 3 by 4. It means that xy minus half and 3 by 4, we plot this point, that is minus half and 3 by 4, 3 by 4, that point, this point minus half and 3 by 4. It means that our graph passes through this and this. In such type of this coordinate is the 0, 1 and that is a minus 1 and 1. Now in this case a greater than 0, this show that our curve facing the of directions and value of y always positive and y greater than 0, y greater than 0 for all x belongs R, for all x belongs R real number, x belongs R real number. Now this is our answer. Now another problem, graph 4, y equal to minus x square plus 5x minus 6. Here comparing ax square plus bx plus c equal c, it means that a is negative, so that a is negative, a less than 0, so that facing up the curve in the downward directions, facing up the parabola, facing up parabola in downward direction, facing up downward direction. Now plot this. Similarly, we put the value of x corresponding to, we get y. If x is equal to minus 1, x is equal to minus 1, that is plus 1, here minus 1, and x equal to minus 1, minus 5 and minus 6, that is equal to here x is equal to minus 1, that is a plus 1, and here also x is equal to minus 1, that is minus plus 5, and plus 5 plus 6, that is equal to minus 12. This value is equal to minus 12. This value is equal to minus 12. If x is equal to 0, if x is equal to 0, that is here it is 0, minus 6. Similarly, if you put x equal to 1, that value of y is equal to minus 2. If x is equal to 2, this point is equal to 0 and 3 is also 0. Then we put this on the graph. -1, 0 and -6. 0 means 0 and -6 coordinates x, y equal to -1, -12, 0, -6, here 1, -2, here 2, 0, another point 3, 0, and another point 4, -2. Now we put this x is 0. First of all, we put it 0 and -6. 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is 0, and that is 0. This is 0 and -6. This point is 0 and -6. Now -6. Now another point 1, 1, -1, -12. Yes, equal to -1, -12. That is -1, -12. Long distance. Long distance, downward directions, and another point 1, -2, 1, -2, 1, 2, here 1, -2. This point is 1, -2. Another x equal to 2, y equal to 0, 1, 2, x equal to 2, x equal to 2, y equal to x equal to 2, 2, 0, and this is 3, 0. This point is 1, 2, 3, 3, 0. This point is 3, 0. It means that our curve passing through this point, this point, this point, and this point. After that, if the graph on up directions here, in this case, now we plot another point 4, -2. 1, 2, 3, 4, and -2. Now we plot this point 4 and -2. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and -2 here. It means that our curve passes through this point, this point, this point, this point, this point, and here. But it go in upward direction. How many distance? Now 1, 2 and half position 5/2. Putting x equal to 5/2, that is 25/4, and 5 by 25/2, and 6, LCM 4, 25, 50, and 6 4 are 24. That is equal to 1/4. Now xy equal to 5/2 minus 5/2, 1/4. This is a 5/2, and 2 right 1/2 and 1/4 half. It means that this curve passes through this point, passes through this point, and also such type of this, and this point also comes from this and this. This is our parabola, and x equal to 2 and x equal to 3 are the zeros are here. X equal to 2 and x equal to 3, 2 and x equal to 3 are zeros of the polynomial are zeros of the polynomial, and y value of y less than 0, y less than 0, equal to 0 and greater than 0, y less than 0, y greater than 0, and y equal to 0, and y equal to 0. Now y value of y less than 0 and here greater than 0, and y equal to 0. This is our answers. Here graph 5 y equal to x square plus 4x minus 4. This is also a quadratic equation. This can be written as minus in common, that is x square minus 4x plus 4. It means that minus x minus 2 to the power 2. X minus 2 to the power 2. Now we have to take similar process. Plotting this, we take the value of x corresponding to get the value of y by putting 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 1, minus 2, and also 0. We get the value. Now x equal to 0, we put x equal to 0, x equal to 0. This means that value is minus 4. X equal to 0, x equal to 0, 2 to the 4, minus 4. X equal to minus 1, minus 3, 3, minus 9. X equal to minus 2, minus 4, and 16, minus 16. X equal to 1, that this is a minus 1 square plus 1, this is negative minus 1. X equal to 2 minus 2 equal to 0, that's value y equal to 0. Similarly, put the x equal to 3, we get minus 1, and x equal to 4, we get minus 4. Now we plot this point x, y, minus 2, minus 16, minus 1, minus 9, 0, minus 4, 1, minus 1. Now 2, 0, 3, minus 1, 4, minus 4, and so on. Now we put this, that is 0 minus 4, 0 0 minus 4, 1 2 3 4. Our curve passes through this point. 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1, this point. 1 minus 1, this point. Add 2 0 1 2 0, this point. 3 minus 1, 1 2 3 minus 1, this point. 4 minus 4, 1 2 3 4, and minus 4, 1 2 3 4, this point. And here in negative directions, minus 1, that is minus 19, minus 1, that is minus 9, 1 2 3 4 5, just like here in the lower positions away from this. In this case, our curve passing through this point. This point. This point, and after that this point, and so on. Now this point is what? This point is 0 minus 4, 0 minus 4. This point is 1 minus 1 minus 1. This point is 2 0. This point is 1 2 3 minus 1, 3 minus, here 3 minus 1, and this point 4 minus 4. Now we get this is also passing through away, because minus 1 9 minus 2 minus 16. Now a here a less than 0, here a less than 0. Its mouth is in the downward directions. Y less than 0, far off. Y less than 0, y value of y less than 0, far off. Value of y less than 0, far off. X belongs R. R is the real numbers, where R is the real numbers. Next, now we see another graph. 6y equal to minus x square minus x minus 1. Now similarly we put in this point x equal to minus 2, that is minus 4 or minus 1 minus 5, and plus 2, that is equal to minus 3. X equal to minus 1, x equal to minus 1 का square minus 1, that is minus 1 plus 1 minus 1. This is also minus 1. X equal to 1, y equal to 0, both are 0. Y equal to minus 1. X equal to plus 1, this is equal to plus 1, this is equal to minus 1, that is equal to minus 3. Similarly, putting the value of x equal to 2, the value of y equal to minus 7. Now, put this point 0 minus 1, 0 का 0, and minus 1 in the downward direction. This is a 0 minus 1, and if we plot here, if you comes here minus 1, that is equal to minus 1, minus 1 that is equal to minus 1. Minus 1 that is equal to minus 1. Now x is equal to minus 1 that is minus 1, x is equal to minus 2, 1 2 minus 2 that is minus 3, 1 2 3. It means that it comes here minus 2 minus 3, minus 2 minus 3. Here 1 at the point 1 that is minus 3, 1 that is 1 1 2 3 minus 3. 1 that is minus 3, 1 and minus 3. It means that our graph passing through this point and this point, this is a 0 and minus 1, this point and this point, so that our graph passing through the point here, and also passing through the here. Such type of graph we get. Now in this case, a less than here, a less than 0. It means that it shows that the mouth of our parabola in downward directions, and y here, y less than 0 for all x belongs R. For all x belongs R, R is the real numbers. Some notes that if leading coefficient A is positive, then the mouth of parabola in the upward directions, and if the leading coefficient of x is negative, that mouth is in the downward directions. Now like, subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you.